Hello, my friends. I am in Mersi in the place. This is the place where we progress all like herbs. We make them juice and we make them like oils. And so, for example, right, this one here, this eucalyptus water. So like after we press it, we get the like oil from it. It's a cold press. Then we get the oil. We end up having this water left from it. And so we sell that too. And here's the thyme water. And what else we have? We have sage. This is all water from the sage. And the pure water. And this is a lavender, the mint water, the nettle wheat water. What else? I don't even know some of their name in like English. So this is for the chamomile water. So what else we have? We even have a papaya water. So let's see what else. We have artichoke water, and this is the pine tree water extract. What else? Dayı canlı yayın yapabilir miyim? Kanada'ya şey yapıyorum yani. Belki alıcı çıkar. Tamam. Here's a lavender after we press them with this machine here. After we press it, this is what left over basically. So let me go upstairs and show you guys more. These are getting harvested from the villagers, and then after we put it into these machines like this is lavender progress right now. So they have to dump all this like fresh lavender into these tanks, and then we gotta press on it. So after we close it, we press it, and then all the oil and water get separated, and we sell them to nationwide. So this is Tunç, our boss. He's pissed off today because the workers didn't show up, so he has to work. This is the general manager. CEO, yeah. And this is where we sleep. CEO, this is where we sleep. Burada yatıyoruz. Yeah. So if anybody wants some real cold pressed, like any kind of herbal oil with the big quantity, we do sell it for like international wide. So let me know. I'll put the order from the border to any country.